Have you ever stopped to think how the world works these days? I mean, you open your laptop and you see these black chips. And you open your phone and you see these black chips. And then you open your toys and you see these black chips. And you go to the hospital and there's the MRI machine, for example, and you open it and there's the black chips there too. You go to the mall and there's a security system, you open it up and there's the black chips there too. What's inside these black chips anyway? Everywhere these black chips. For example, I have two right here. This is Arduino Mega and this is STM32. So it uses black chip for digital signal processing and home automation. If I don't know what's inside it, how am I going to use it effectively or make more if I need it? Have you ever thought about that? Don't you want to be self-sufficient, but you don't know how the world works, how the digital world works anyway? Do you want to know? Well, I'm here to teach you that. It's all under the subject of digital logic design. Now, to understand what's DLD or digital logic design, we have to break it down. What is digital? What is logic? And what is the design? Digital means anything that is not continuous, that is discrete. For example, 0 and 1. When you turn the button on, the lights turn on. When you turn the button off, the lights turn off. This is digital. But when you dim the fan and the fan goes slow and you make it fast the other way and the fan moves fast, this is continuous. So the real world is all continuous. You see the waves in the ocean, they rise and fall in a continuous patterns. But inside the devices, the ones I introduced, they only know two things. Well, logic is the choices made at any given input. So for example, if you're hungry and you have food, then you eat food. If you're hungry and you do not have food, then you don't eat food. You go and buy the food and then you eat it. The same works with the digital systems. For example, you have small home automation system and someone walked outside your home at night and the bulb automatically turned on to pave ways for that person. So here's the logical decision taking place. It is night and the person was moving. When these two combine, it gives way to turning on the light. That's what inside your laptop and your phone and all the digital modern electronics. What is the design? Well, that is the engineering part of it. How do you combine these switches in which way to perform these tasks to make this laptop work the way it do, to make your phone work the way it do? So we'll study all that in this subject in a very easy way, in a way that even the medical students and non-engineering students will understand it. It will not only help if someone is studying engineering courses, but also to understand this digital world a bit more better. Thank you and welcome to Embed It. Let's embed these concepts in our minds.